Hey, what is up, guys? So, today I want to talk about spirituality and why that's very important in today because a lot of people are starting to realize that religion is just based on tradition. Though going to the church and doing all that is very good, and I'm not a religious person to say I don't believe in religion. I used to be Catholic, then I was Christian, and now I'm more spiritual, and I believe in God. I believe in the Creator and that all things are connected through Him, for Him, at the same time for everybody. Having a business, online business to serve one another, everything is meant to serve in order for us to grow, connect to one another, and to grow one another. And I believe that in order for us to grow as a people, we must serve one another to grow the person and to grow ourselves. Like iron sharpens iron, so we sharpen one another. So I'm just here today. I'm just speaking that I'm not here for religion. I'm here for spirituality and for one another. Because at the end of the day, it's all about love and loving each other more than you love yourself. And having acts of service on that, providing for people, making someone's life more better. And if you can do that, then in exchange for value for money, then you can make your own life better. And back then I didn't think this. I didn't even know what spirituality was. I didn't know what religion was. I was a very religious person. You can ask anybody I know, they know I was the most very religious person that I ever know to this day. I was always reading the Bible, I was always praying, I was always doing these things because I didn't know what was the difference between religion and spirituality, and I wasn't even clear on my purpose. I was just a kid, and I feared God, and all I knew is that my mindset was somewhere different, and I stepped into it, and me just being me being very consistent, persistent in anything I do, I kept growing into that, and I started to step back and realize, like, I got to see what I'm doing because I'm starting to see that my life is way different than everybody else's life. And so I started to read more, but I started to prioritize my time. I started to see, well, over time, once you pass 18, once you hit an older age, this was when me just being 10 years old, super young, but over time you start to realize that you got to prioritize your time, because if you don't, your life will be off balance. And so what I want to say is, religion, there is no right or wrong religion. God is in the middle of everything as He connects to everything. Even if there wasn't any religion, everything would be connected through one of us as long as we love each other and because God is within us. Life is what you make of it, because as you think, so you become. So you have to think good for good things to come. And if you think bad, bad things will come. And if you think bad because you think that you're not deserving, well, more things will come based on you feeling that you don't deserve it. And if you change your mindset, saying, I do deserve it, I'm worthy of it, the feeling will attract things based on what you're feeling. Because you attract what you are, you don't attract what you desire. And that came to me, and I realized that was my stepping stone into spirituality, when I started to realize that I'm attracting who I am, the people that I'm around, the people that I see, even if I go to the gym, if I go to school, or if I'm here doing my online business or making videos. I can see now that everything I do is a reflection of what's around me, and it's a reflection of everything I do. As what you do in everything, as you do in one thing, so you do in everything. And always remember that and make sure that you can get into your mindset, because your mindset and spirituality is a reflection of your physical. It goes from your paradigms, it goes from your mindset to your spirituality, your feelings and your vibration, your emotions, and then to the physical. And so if you can learn to lock those down, and of course the physical body, take care of your body, make sure you're healthy, make sure you're whole, make sure you're doing things that keep yourself in alignment to what you want to become and to who you are. Because everything, like I said, you attract what you are. And spirituality is a gift, is God's spirit within us. That is our energy, because we're all spiritual beings. We're not physical beings. We're not animals. We're spiritual beings in this world. And we can attract things. We can do things that we realize that we're not capable of, that we don't know what we're capable of. And it's a beautiful thing, because life is beautiful. The little things make life. The little things make the great things. As anything, that's how everything is created. But anything is created through the one, and that's through God. And it's all connected. We're all connected to one another. That's how we connect, through feelings and attracting. But the reason why we're all connected is because God is within us. And it's our job, on our part, to love one another, to serve one another, to grow, to work, to change our life, to change our lifestyle in order to grow and to persist on to our vision and to our goals. Because everything we have, the universe will give to us freely. Anything is possible. You don't have to think of just making money and working, changing your time for money. Or you don't have to just think of having a business for money, because there are many ways you can make money. And it's not even just about money. It's not even just about attracting the loved one or getting a physique or getting a certain lifestyle that you want. At the end of the day, we can't take that with us, but it's about leaving what's behind. It's about letting people see what is within you, and igniting people, inspiring people, or motivating people, letting them be inspired by a new life, by a new opportunity. Let them see you and see light. Let them see you and see that there is possibility, that there is heaven on earth, that you are heaven on earth, that you are God's will. Because your imagination is God, and your imagination, your visualization, you manifest and you create it. And you create yourself through what you attract, through who you are. And what I'm trying to say is, if you want a better life, the easiest way to start now is to write it down, what you want. Write it down, what you want, either before you go to sleep or in the day, and then look at it when you sleep. But to put that in your mind consciously, because it's the whole point of writing it down, that it can be in your mind subconsciously. And then your feelings that will begin to be who you are. And of course you have to act on them, because with faith without works is impossible. And so I leave this to you today. What do you want for yourself? What do you want for your future? And what do you want to attract? Because that's who you are. And in order for that to be who you are, in order for you to get what you want, write it down, have faith, visualize, and take action on it. Because anything is possible. We live in a spiritual world. We're spiritual beings. Even though we're in a physical body, anything is possible. I need you to get that in your mind, that you are truly infinitely powerful. no matter what circumstance you're in, anything is possible with God. Like and subscribe, comment down below how your day is going. What is it you want for yourself? Because you attract what you are, not what you desire. Peace, guys.